Hi friend, good morning. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss decision theory. So in the previous lecture, we had discussed the first method of decision theory is certainty. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss how to solve the problem which are belong to uncertainty. So there are two methods of decision theory, and decision theory comes under in statistics and quantified method. For the decision theory, there are two types: certainty and uncertainty. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the problem and solution of uncertainty. So, the problem of decision theory, which belong to uncertainty, which look like this, where probability has not given. The problem is like this: a farmer want to decide which of three crops he should plant. The farmer has categorized the amount of rainfall as high, medium, and low. Estimated the profit is given. It means there is one farmer and he is unable to take the decision which crop he is given in the problem. So again, we have to give suggestion over the crop. Therefore, we need to calculate maximum value for column. So for maximin, the meaning of maximin is maximum of the minimum. Therefore, first we have to find out minimum value of each crop. So crop A minimum value is 2000. For crop B minimum value is 3500. Crop C minimum value is 4000. And out of this cost, which one is the maximum? So maximum value is 4000. From the minimum, maximum is 4000. That is maximum. Therefore, on the basis of maximum criteria, we can suggest farmer should go with crop C according to maximum criteria. Second criteria which they have asked, minimax. Meaning of minimax criteria is minimum of the maximum. So first we have to find out maximum estimated profit of respective crop. So maximum estimated profit is 8000 for crop A, 5000 for crop B, and crop C is 5000. And out of those maximum value, which one is minimum? So minimum is crop B, that is 5000, and crop C, that is 5000. So on the basis of minimax criteria, we can suggest to farmer he can go with crop B or crop C. Third criteria which they have asked, that is maxi max. So maxi max means maximum of the maximum. So first we have to find out maximum estimated profit for respective crop. So for crop A, maximum estimated profit is 8000. Crop B, maximum profit is 5000, and crop C maximum estimated profit is 5000. Out of which one is the maximum? And maximum estimated profit is 8000 for crop A. So on the basis of maximax criteria, we can suggest farmer he should go with crop A. Third criteria which they have asked, that is Laplace or equal probability. It means we need to calculate average of respective crop, and on the basis of average, whichever average is high, that crop we need to suggest. So for average, crop A average, how we can calculate? Sum of all three estimated profit of crop A divided by 3. That is 8000 plus 4500 plus 2000 divided by 3. that is 4833.33. For crop B, again we need to calculate average. 3500 plus 4500 plus 5000 divided by 3, that is 4333. Same way we have to calculate average for crop C, that is 5000 plus 4900 plus 4000 divided by 3, that is 4633. So according to average, which average is highest? So according to average, crop A is giving highest return or estimated profit, that is 4833. Hence, we can suggest farmer should go with crop A. So if you want to calculate Laplace or equal probability, you need to calculate average for strategy. And whichever average is highest, that higher or highest average you have to suggest. Next criteria which they have asked, that is Harvick's alpha criterion and coefficient of optimism, that is alpha is equal to 0.6. So if you need to calculate the value of Harvick's, you will get the value of alpha. And Harvey's alpha, how to calculate? You need to calculate weighted average method. So there is formula of weighted average method, that is alpha into maximum in strategy plus 1 is constant, 1 minus alpha. Alpha is 0.6 into minimum in strategy. So how to calculate weighted average? So weighted average is what? Alpha into maximum strategy. What is alpha? Alpha is 0.6 is given in the problem. It means 0.6 into maximum. Which one is the maximum? 8000. So 0.6 into 8000 plus 1 minus alpha. 1 minus 0.6 is equal to 0.4. So plus 0 point into minimum strategy. Minimum is what? 2000. This is how we have to calculate. 0.6 into 8000 highest plus 0.4, that is 1 minus alpha into 2000. 2000 is minimum, is equal to 5600. Same way we have to calculate weighted average for crop B, that is 0.6 into 5000 plus 0.4 into 3500 is equal to 4500. And same way we have to calculate for crop C, that is 0.6 into 5000 plus 0.4 into 4000 is equal to 4600. So according to weighted average method, which weighted average is highest? The highest is 5600. So according to Harvick's alpha criterion, we should suggest farmer should go with crop A. So this is how we have to calculate Harvick's alpha criterion. And last, they have asked regret criterion for maximin and minimax. So what is regret criterion? So regret criterion means we have to convert original table into regret table. So what is a regret table? When we are losing, when we are going with another profit by losing original profit, and difference between original profit and later profit is equal to regret criterion or regret table. So again we will see how to find out a regret table. So this is what? This is our original table. So on the basis of original table we need to prepare a regret criterion table. And for preparing regret criterion table, the formula is highest value minus lowest value. So if we have to calculate the regret value for 8000. So from this column, which one is the highest value? Highest value is 8000. Then 8000 minus 8000. 8000 minus 4500 and 8000 minus 200. So this is how we have to calculate the regret value of crop A. For crop B, again, which one is the highest value? Highest value is 5000. So 5000 minus 3500, 5000 minus 4500 and 5000 minus 5000. Regret value for crop C is, again, which one is the highest value? 5000. So 5000 minus 5000, 5000 minus 4900 and 5000 minus 400. So this is how these are the highest value This highest value you have to subtract from respective crop, and after subtracting those value from respective estimated profit of crop, you will get the table like this. The moment you will get this table, that regret table, you have to consider this table for finding maximin and minimax value. So if you are finding the value of maximin on minimax from the regret table, which we call regret maximum and regret minimax. So this is what there under decision theory of uncertainty. If you are having any question, any doubt, you please write down into comment box. Thank you for attending my this session. Wish you best of luck.